So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab, and many of you are facing issue on some of the tasks, so we'll cover it. Now here many of you are asking how to enable this yellow check my progress bar. So for that just check the video description. Now simply open the Cloud Console incognito window, and if you are completely new to this channel, do like the video, do share the channel with your family friends who are participating in the arcade or who are interested in participating and winning cool goodies. So make sure to just share the channel and subscribe the channel and also hype the video. Now here we have to activate the Cloud Shell. First of all click on agree and continue, and the next step we have to activate the Cloud Shell. Here you have to simply click on continue and then simply authorize yourself. So just follow as I am doing. First of all, I'll just increase the font size. As I came to know, many of the participants are completing the challenge with mobile phones, and it is little bit difficult to just see whatever I'm doing. So let me increase the text size. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. We'll be using that only. First of all, just copy it from here, paste it like this and hit enter. Now here it's just executing the task, so wait for it to get completed, and don't worry, we have to perform some of the manual tasks also over here, so just stay tuned till it gets completed. It will take couple of minutes, so wait for it. So after waiting for 2 to 3 minutes, like this output will be shown over here. Okay, you have to just click on this first URL, and from here you have to just modify some of the changes, so just stay tuned. First thing we have to just click on edit, and from here you'll find flow logs over here. If you are able to see here, you can see logs is here. You have to just, let me just check it again. Logs is here. Okay, we don't have to make any other changes, just update the logs and just save it like this. Once you have saved it, it will take couple of minutes to. Now once it is saved, you have to just do one thing. On the search box, just okay, we have already done it, I think so. So now we have to just click on the second command over here. So it will just open the logs explorer over here. So you have to just wait for the log explorer to completely open. So once it is open, we'll move forward to the next step. So here the first thing we have to just run the query, and after that we have to just create a VPC sync over here. So just click on this actions option and just click on this. Where is the sync option? This one. So just click on it. Now finally the page is open. Now for the sync name, we have to just come back over here to the lab instructions. Okay, you have to come over here to the lab instructions, and here we have to just come down. Let's come down a little bit more. So this is our sync name. So once you have copied the name, okay, this name, you have to just come over here, paste it, then wait a second, remove extra space, then click on next. It will be query data set, and you have to just select this one. Once you have selected this one, and then you have to just simply click on next. All the things are correct. Now simply click on create sync. Okay, simply click on create sync, and once the sync is created, cross verify all the things are correctly done. Then simply come back to the Cloud Shell page, just type Y and hit enter. Now it's just doing all its task, and once it's done, we'll be able to get the score for this particular task. As many of the people were having multiple queries and wanted a step-by-step guide, so this was the tutorial for it. And here, let's check the score for each and every task. So here you can see we have got 80 out of 100. It will take some time for the last task to get updated. So just stay tuned. And if you're interested in completing other challenges, you can come to the playlist. Here you can see all the solution guides are live. You can complete the arcade points and win exciting goodies too. So just keep running one by one and just keep hitting check my progress. Okay, just keep hitting check my progress and you'll surely get the score. You can see we have got the score finally, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section, and do subscribe the channel, do share the video with everyone. So goodbye, have a great day ahead.